And we're live.
Official timer. All right, guys. Each plate weighs exactly 3 pounds. They're dead on. They're basically a pound of dog.
We're not starting until we say start, right?
Right. Go ahead and cut. Y'all cut it ever how y'all want to. If I was y'all a little bit, I'd let them start to cool down just a little bit. They are hot.
Yeah, it's time to cut that level.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, wait a second. Look up and follow this website.
Just don't worry, y'all explain.
What are you talking about?
So we weren't supposed to start yet.
Well, no, count that.
We're coming through the paper on every cut. You know there's some paper going down today.
I'm going straight for the dogs first.
Oh, look at him. The green strategy just didn't help.
His is divide and conquer, I guess.
Yeah.
No, strategize.
Are you going to drink it?
Nasty dessert. Why somebody would eat something spoiled on purpose is beyond me.
Yeah. I took you a second on that one, didn't
I'm like, I don't have sauerkraut this time. Oh, not spoiled.
You know, it's however big the card is. It'll shoot 4 gigabytes at a time, which is about 30 minutes. And I've got a 16 gig card in there.
Yeah, he's never here at all.
Heaters are playing with food all
That looks like
You want another glass of water?
Yeah, I'll do a second.
Alright, why not? Go ahead. Another glass of water. Why not? 2 glasses of water and another glass.
Unsweet.
Unsweet, see, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm watching my feet.
Yeah. Well done, brother. I just hope yours is going better than mine. Be real careful, deep fry right behind you. And I'm off duty today, so it's not fall in. If you fall in, I can't come for at least 6 minutes. Hey.
You need water.
Doug, you need anything, brother?
he's meditating.
Does anybody have a camera that can be set up for video?
I think everybody does.
We're rolling. We're rolling right now.
Okay. So is everything cool enough for y'all, or?
I think we need another minute.
Okay.
Yeah. Mine aren't cool as fast as your guys'. Oh, man.
Yeah.
What you gonna do then?
I'm going to teach a decision.
Okay.
Yeah. Lean the seat backs up real well. We haven't had 2 weeks. We haven't had anything on that. We didn't come over here last week. His feet, unfortunately. Yeah, I was thinking it was going to be 1 after 5. Yeah, I would think 1 after 5. So hey, you always split it down the middle.
I think I'm good. When you guys are ready.
All right, guys. I don't care how you do it. Everything's got to be cleaned up and played. All righty? On your mark, get set, go.